Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Bento Victoria sponge cake. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I have the butter and the sugar in the bowl. You see the butter is nice and soft, which is easy to mix. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together. And mix. And then finally add in my flour and mix it in. For this part, I fold it in with a spatula. I don't use a whisk. So the mixture is nice and smooth and creamy. Now I'm going to put this in my already prepared cake tin. I've already lined it with greaseproof paper and buttered and floured the sides. Level it with a knife. Now this is ready to go in the oven until it's nice and golden brown and risen and well baked through. Okay, the Victoria sponge cake is now ready. I'm going to get it out of the tin. I've left it in the tin for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it and get it out of the tray. Okay, if it's not coming out like that, I'll show you what to do. You may need to loosen the edges because sometimes it can get stuck here. Just use a spatula. Just loosen gently. It doesn't need much. Just making sure. Okay. And flip it again. Yeah, it's coming out like that. And then you peel off the greaseproof paper and leave it to cool completely. So I'm going to cut this in half. So you get a serrated knife, roughly mark half, or if you really want to be precise, use a ruler and make a marking. And then I'm going to start sewing. Use a sewing motion while turning the cake. Okay, now I'm just going to show you. It's nicely baked through. Okay, now I'm going to put a border around of buttercream. This stops the jam from oozing out. And then I'm going to add some jam. You can use some homemade jam. To watch videos on how to make jam at home, click on the link above. If you don't want to make jam, you can always use store-bought jam, no problem. Okay. And I'm going to put the other cake on top. Okay, so I've put the cake on top. You can leave it with this cake level on top like this, or you can flip it like that. I like this flipped look, so I'm going to dust some icing sugar on top. And that's how simple it is to decorate cake. And you can just clean off your plate, use some paper towel and just clean it up as best as you can. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.